That's the 2 balls too?
Yes.
Okay.
Right, let's see.
Careful, buddy.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Stay with me, okay?
Daddy,
What? What, bud?
that was not nice when you got my transformer.
Sorry. I just thought maybe you want to get something else. But we'll go look, okay?
Is this it?
This is it. Good morning, how are you?
Daddy,
What, buddy?
can I buy a football?
Yeah, maybe.
Can I have it?
Sure.
Here. You have this and I
Okay.
can have this.
Okay. Come over here.
Daddy,
What, buddy?
where are the other kids?
What other kids?
Like the others.
You guys know.
Oh, no.
Well, you know what's funny? That explains a lot because he looked up. He was in. Oh, that's what Colton said. Because Colton. How did Colton know? Because he said, didn't he roof on our mission strip or something? Yeah. And I said, oh yeah. And he goes, yeah, call it. That's because Colton and Cassie came in last time. Oh, they did. We weren't gonna do that until Saturday, so my Friday was like already booked up, and so then I was like, it's just Saturday, so then he went.
Hey, do you have your football?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool football.
And you can buy your soccer ball, Daddy.
Okay. I might,
And I get my football.
okay, good. I might buy that, okay? Yeah.
And I said, okay. You can set those here if you
Sure,
want. That way
thank
you
you.
don't have to carry them around.
Awesome, thanks.
You're welcome.
I,
How old are you?
You just had a birthday. How old are you? 4.
Wow. Oh, he's like stranger
He usually knows.
So yeah, so they came in last night back here. So you could literally drive here. I said, if you can just oh yeah. And she was like, no, that can make you know right. She said she didn't know what the schedule was going to be.
Doing okay?
I asked her about
yeah.
All right.
and she said,
I like your football.
it's nice.
Yeah, was. See, was.
Whoa, that's awesome.
That's how he balances.
So
That's awesome. Uh-oh, a bee.
But today, Corbin came out today. So he's in help tomorrow. So it'll be Matt and Colton and Gunner. Okay. And then tomorrow Gunner said he could help tomorrow too. So it's funny because Danielle came home. She's quarantined.
Oh my word.
Yeah. And so she came, she's home, and I told Jeremy last night, I said, Danielle came home Wednesday. She has to be at home for 2 weeks before she can go back, even though she's had all the negative tests. And I said, so Gunner should be home. And I said, well, she tested negative, and even when her roommate's boyfriend tested positive, and they were all supposed to quarantine, he was still going over there, and he was like, whatever, they got me on, like, all this stupid crap, acting like an idiot. And so I thought for sure he'd come home to be with her. And so when you saw, I'm like, oh, that's hilarious. Because they're all coming home next week. Well, he said he had a buddy's birthday party to go to.
Can you buy your soccer ball too?
You want to get that one too?
Yeah.
Sure, why
That's
not?
mine.
Whoa,
Mine goes very high.
that's awesome.
Yeah, try yours, Daddy.
Whoa.
That's mine.
Well, uh-oh. Close one. Okay, come here.
He goes, I can try to do like 10:30 and then work till about 3
And we're skiing. And we're skiing.
Careful, there's pictures right there.
What's mine, Daddy?
Okay. Okay. Okay, be careful now, okay?
Try yours, Daddy.
No, I don't want to drop it.
Daddy,
What?
why do they have this?
What is it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Hey, what's this?
How much on this shelf here?
What is it on the side there? Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. Oh, gotcha. 3. Okay. I'll take that too.
Okay.
And then... Careful. And
Why
3
do
on
I
that.
keep doing that?
Okay. I think I'm good.
Okay, 17.
Yeah, so 2 balls too?
What's
Yes.
mine?
Okay.
What's mine?
Right, let's see.
Careful, buddy.
9, 10, 11.
Mine goes very high. Does mine
Oh, in
go
the shelf.
very high?
Okay. I'm like, wait a second. And how much was on the shelf? 3? 3. Yeah, I think. Yep, 17.
17, there you
Yeah.
go.
I was like, what am I forgetting? The thing I just told you.
Are these part of that Rubbermaid fast track system thing?
Yes. See the. Yep.
Okay, I just bought one of those last weekend, so that's a...
Oh,
so,
perfect.
Yeah, so that'll work out. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, I put it for some. I thought, well, I wonder if somebody has to have that. And then my husband said, no, it's got 2 things. You can screw it into something if you want to.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, so people can hang them no matter what.
No, that'll come in handy.
That is. You get it?
I think so. All right. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.
I'll come right back for the shelf. I'll come right back for that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get this shelf.
Ow!
Come with me.
Okay.
Come on.
Where's our two, Daddy?
What?
Where's our two? I don't know where ours is. What?
Careful.
Oh, what's this?
Okay, come here.
What's this again, Daddy?
I don't... That's duct?
I shouldn't let you that corner. That's okay. How much is that? Yeah. I know. He'll run the show.
No, where's the water?
Rocket ship.
Daddy.
Yeah.
These are our. How are they allowed to do that?
I'm gonna grab a few more things.
Okay.
The pegboard for 5.
Okay. Yep.
A planter.
Okay.
For 2.
And the planners were 2.
Yep.
Okay.
This kite for $1.
Okay.
What's this?
That birdhouse for 4.
Okay.
And that railing for 2.
Here.
Okay.
And that's it.
14.
14. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day. All right, buddy, ready?
Yeah.
Let's see.
You need some help?
I can make one more trip. It does.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
I can help you. Which planner did you want?
The heavy one, the one that actually has the sign on it.
Okay. Then she'll bring in your railing.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And that was everything, right? I think so. Awesome, thank you. All right, Elliot.
Okay.
So this stuff will be for mommy right here, okay? This birdhouse, very cool. This planter, very heavy. And this railing.
And then next to this one is healthy too.
Yeah, you might use the kite, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna see Daddy.
No way. You're gonna sit over here.
I'm gonna sit on me.
There you go.
There's a bunch of people in here.
That was crazy.
Alright guys, we are back from that garage sale. I would say it was a success. Spent every last dollar in my wallet since I forgot to go to the ATM, but I didn't have to leave anything behind, and I didn't even have to negotiate, so that was pretty cool. I already showed you the stuff I picked up for Sarah, so real quick let me show you the stuff I got to use and to resell. I bought this pegboard here for $5 with all these hooks, plus there's some more hooks. I'm still getting all set up, but basically I just used some zip ties and attached it to my shipping shelf along with this Rubbermaid track that I put on here last week. And I would say this shipping station's really coming along, trying to make my space as functional as possible. So a piece of pegboard with all those hooks for $5 was definitely a steal in my case. For $3, I grabbed this shelf here. Just thought it had a really neat look to it. And actually, one of my very short-term goals is to open up an antique booth. I'm actually on a waiting list for one now. Hopefully we'll talk more about that later. But I just kind of thought that possibly this could be a nice display piece once that comes to fruition. So that's kind of the plan. But anyway, it's just a nice old shelf for $3, which is pretty cool. Here is a Jack's Pacific fighter jet nylon kite. It was $1, never opened. I'm guessing this might be worth somewhere in the range of 15 to 20, but more than likely this will be Elliot's because he likes kites. Speaking of Elliot, he wanted me to buy this soccer ball, and it turns out that my little tadpole might be getting the old picker eye because this Wilson Evolution composite basketball here actually has some pretty decent comps. I paid $1 for it, and it looks like they can sell for between like $25 and maybe $35, so definitely not bad for a $1 investment. Good job, little tadpole. For $3 each, I grabbed 2 more pieces of this Rubbermaid track. A weird coincidence because I had never even seen this stuff, and now I'm pretty much seeing parts at every garage sale I go to. I don't know what I'll end up using it for. As you can see, I still need to be able to get into this shelf, but for $3 a piece to have some more choices, I was willing to make that purchase. I grabbed a couple new in the box Conair steamers, fabric steamers. I think this one was $2, I believe. Oh, $3, and this was $1. Like I said, they're both brand new in the box. This one I've seen comps on for about $30, so there's my 10X right there. Not too bad. This one's probably a little cheaper, maybe 10 to 15, but again, that's still a 10X at least. I don't love flipping $1 into 10, but it's definitely not a mistake, so I'm okay with it. Arguably the best find of the day for $2 was this Mephisto from Satec chess trainer. Whenever you see these weird chess games or chess trainers or talking chess sets and they're cheap, just pick them up because they could be worth pretty decent money. This one here has a recent sold comp of around $50, and I don't see it selling for any less than like 30 or 35. So for $2 with Christmas coming up, this is definitely a solid buy. And like I said, always pick up these weird chess devices because sometimes they can be worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars. But still, $2 into between 30 and 50 is a home run. All right guys, so not a bad little quick hit garage sale. Thank you so much for coming along with us. And as always, thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya, bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know why I'm buying this crap.